Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to design a simple wardrobe using Blum e-services. So here's a website of the Blum software. So the first thing is you log in. Then after logging in, you go to the e-services. Then from the e-services you come to cabinet configurator. So let's continue new configuration. So here is a short dialog box. Let's just close it. Show notification. So here is the carcass, the standard carcass. So the first thing that you have to do is come to cabinet design, then the basic setting. So this is a full height wardrobe. So the height that I'll use is 2600, and the width, for me, I'll put the width at 850, and then after that, the top panel, the back panel is a group panel with a 3mm board. The group panel 3mm board. Then dimension of engagement is 23. Then group depth, let me put 9. Group width is 3. So that's it. And then I'll now come to partition the front. So come to design, and then horizontal gap, select horizontal gap, and then the vertical gap here, vertical gap. So we come to, okay, let me just undo. So I wanted to create some drawers here first. The drawer panel, like the drawer front. These are 200. No, the 200 here. The 200. Another 200. And the last 200. So that, and then the double door. Put the double door. There's the double door. So this top part is 400. 400. Now I can go and put the shelves. Let's use fixed shelf. The first shelf. Then the last shelf. Then the next step is, now we have to put the drawers. We have to specify the drawers. So just go to fittings, and then run assistance. Then draw front end. You draw the lower drawer, and then I will make this. Specify the settings. So tandem box, full extension. So for full extension, we go next. Then high front end pull out without gallery. So these are the specification of the drawer, and dynamic carrying capacity 500, length of the runners. Then draw height, I like 180. This one is too short, too long. Put 140 because 140 is okay for me. Then thickness is 18. Draw side thickness is also 18. What else? Draw base thickness is 3. Versus the 15 maximum. Then without servo drive motion technology. And then go to next. No front adjustment bracket. Display front drawer railings. Yes. Go to result. Apply. So that's the draw. Let me zoom it so you can have a look at it. So this is the Blum runners. So I'd like to copy this, the others, 1, 2, 3. So that's now complete draw system. And then for the door, it's just the door. So door is the hinge system. This one is the left application. The left application. Standard hinge. Overlay. So have the measurements and door radius. Let us use the default settings. Move next. Then clip on. This clip top motion is the one that don't have to use screws to mount it. This one also, but this is a normal one. The screws, the module, and then screws. There's no corner, then you have the screws. So let me use this normal screws. Then flossing mechanism with spring. Okay, with spring. And then we have to mounting plate fixing. We have to screw the normal one. Then chipboard screws. Next, then hinge and cover caps. No, to cover. Then let's go to results. So these are the hardware we apply, and then we have. It's automatic. It has set it at 3 hinges. Let's see. Also, so this other side, the right application. We maintain the same setting as the previous. Go to next. Use the default settings. Module. Screw on. With spring. And return. And then we have the screw on. Mounting plate fixing. Then chipboard screws. Next, no cover caps. Then let's go to results. Then we apply. So that's now complete door. What else? So here also I like to put these upper part also to be a double door. There's other option you can use. You can use the lift system or the double door. But I think for me, it's possible to use the lift system, but it's the height. Due to the height, I think it would be difficult to use this lift system. But it's possible. Maybe if it's server driven. So there are different designs here that can be used, but for me, I prefer. I have a preference for the double door. So I'll have to separate. I'll have to put a gap here. No, sorry. I'll have to put a vertical gap here. Then, so and then the doors. So let me put the doors here. Double door. Close this part. Go to fittings and then okay, we'll select the hinge, the left door, same settings, modular. Okay, so for stability reasons, the door height must be greater than its width. So you remember the width of the wardrobe was around 850 millimeters, and yet the height of the door was around 400. So let me put it also at 450, the height. So let me cancel, then change the height in the design here to 450. And then we put the doors, the hinge system, the door. Let's see if the error removes. Yes, there's no error. So we maintain the same settings, overlay application, and then also we maintain the same setting also as this one. Then select the module, then the screw one, then the then next screw one, keyboard screws, next, then no cover caps, next, we apply. So it also has two hinges, then the last one. Okay, so it was a problem with this one. This one you can delete this fixture, can delete it. Put a different shelf. Let's put a different shelf. And also remember, it's also possible to put the adjustable shelf. everything is okay. Yes, so also just add another hinge of the right hinge on the upper right. So same setting remains, same setting. Next, configurator module, screw on display. Next, screw on for chipboard screws, and then next, now cover caps is the results. Then you apply. So this is the wardrobe. I guess the wardrobe is now complete and it looks beautiful. It's a simple wardrobe. So there are other functions of for Blum, like you can even put dowels to this. So if you have machines like the Blum machines that are able to make the dowels. So these are 8mm dowel, everything is here. So the horizontal dowels are normally cut with a special machine, and there's the vertical dowels. For example, the vertical dowels will be made on this side panel, then the horizontal on the shelf. So that's also optional. You can use screws, you can use dowels. You can use dowels and then reinforce with screws, or you can only use screws. Depends on one's preference. So so you can go to results, and then from the results one is able to find the cutting list. You can able to produce the cutting list. Here is the cutting list, everything. Here is the cutting list, and also there's the manufacturing, there's the assembly, how you assemble the parts, there's the design, planning and design, part list, application details. Yes, so that's all. You can, there's also an option for exporting. You can export them. You can export the CAD data. You can export to Fusion, to SolidWorks, and to SketchUp. Yes, thank you.